The most extreme quadrifoglio ever made has arrived, and I have some good news and some bad news. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides, and welcome back to another video where we've been waiting for this one here. The Bespoke has decided to raise the voice of its aerodynamic load by presenting the Giulia Quadrifoglio Luna Rossa at the Brussels Motor Show. Now, this is the first work signed by the new Bottega Fiore series customization program, combining Alfa Romeo's design house with Maserati's design house. The new internal division dedicated to extreme customization, created to follow in the exclusive footsteps of other brands that pamper the customer in every way, but also to revitalize Maserati's balance sheets and identity. Now, it doesn't take much to understand why a sports sedan like the legendary Giulia Quadrifoglio bears the name of a sailing team. The answer lies in the low-drag aerodynamic package that promises to transform driving into a nautical experience, thankfully without the seasickness included in the price tag. Now, the highlight of the Luna Rossa edition is undoubtedly the split rear wing. Inspired by the hydrofoils of the famous Italian team, it has been inverted. Instead of making the car lift off, it generates 140 kilograms of downforce at 300 kilometers an hour. That's essentially 5 times more than the standard Giulia Quadrifoglio, which is practically perfect. Now, under the hood, you get the same engine that you guys know and love from the Giulia Quadrifoglio, the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with 520 horses, paired with a rear-wheel drive and a mechanical limited slip differential. Now, to provide a worthy soundtrack to this Giulia Quadrifoglio, Alfa Romeo has decidedly added a louder Akrapovic exhaust system. Now, the body color, that's inspired by the design of Luna Rossa, which participated in the 2024 America's Cup, interrupted by a narrow hood, roof, and tailgate. Now, red elements are all throughout, and you get special 19-inch alloy wheels to complete the package that are also technical wheels done in red. Now, continuing the nautical theme, inside you get Grigio Sparkle bucket seats with a red stripe, clearly inspired by the life jackets worn by the Luna Rossa team. Now, the premiere of the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio Luna Rossa at the 2026 Brussels Motor Show is part of a larger project involving the Bottega Fiore series program. The Giulia Quadrifoglio Collezione and Stelvio Quadrifoglio Collezione will also debut at the Belgium show. And the collaboration between Alfa Romeo and Luna Rossa will continue in 2027 at the 38th America's Cup. Now, let's talk about the bad news about all of this. While this is the most extreme quadrifoglio ever, well, it's also limited edition. Only 10 units will be built in total. Pricing, however, remains a mystery, so soon after the unveiling, I'm sure we'll get the exact numbers, but expect a significant premium over the standard model. But this is a move towards bespoke. Shared with the sister brand Maserati, this begins the goal of becoming a true lifeline for Stellantis premium brands. Exclusivity, after all, is only fuel that knows no crisis. But with that said, what do you guys think about the Luna Rossa edition of the Giulia Quadrifoglio? Should there be more than 10 units made for the most extreme quadrifoglio ever? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. I appreciate the extra love. Ron's Rides merch is there as well. Definitely go get you some. And with that said, make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.